Hello viewers, in this tutorial I'll show you how to fix Instagram Meta AI support assistant option not showing problem. So let's see how to fix this problem. First of all, open Play Store. Just go to Play Store and then tap on search app. Now search Instagram. Search for Instagram. From here, update your Instagram apps in latest version. Now wait for completing update process. After completing update process, now find Instagram apps and then tap and hold on Instagram apps. Now open in Instagram app info. Just tap on I button or app info. Now scroll down, tap on storage. Now clear cache your Instagram storage. Just tap on clear cache. Now press on back button, tap on force stop, tap on OK to confirm. Now go back to home screen. Now go to Instagram. Go to Instagram settings. Now see Meta AI support assistant option showing now. If still problem remaining, then follow next step. Just tap on help option. Tap on report a problem. Again tap on report problem. Now tap on include and continue. Here describe your issue in details. After describe your issue, now send report. After this process, hopefully your problem will be solved successfully. So thanks for watching. Stay connected for more updates.